I want to treat this topic. There are certain set of people who are sitting on the fence in this political era, and they come with this statement that said a popular phrase, all politicians are the same. Now, first thing you have to understand that these people who are sitting on the fence and have come to conclusion to say that all politicians are the same are those who find it difficult to support a candidate that is not in their tribe or in their religion. They know that the candidate that is a better candidate is not in their tribe, in their religion. They know it's a better candidate, but to justify their sentiment, they say all politicians are the same. But I want to squash it today. All politicians are not the same. Read my lips. All politicians are not the same. The fact that you think that politics is dirty is a wrong perception. For you to think that because politics is dirty, no politician is clean, is a pure lie. In fact, to the men, you keep saying all politicians are the same. But when they say all men are the same, you want to say you are not the same, that you are different. You women will say all men are the same, but yet you want to marry a man that is not the same. That is hypocrisy. That is lack of understanding. All men are not the same, and all politicians are not the same. The problem we have today is this. Good is silence, but evil is loud. I will repeat it again. Good is silence, evil is loud. If a man dies today, even people in abroad can travel all the way to come for the burial. But if you give birth to a baby, the highest they can send to you is congratulations during the naming ceremony. People celebrate evil more than good, and that's why the good ones in politics are silent, and the bad ones are the ones loud. Of course, evil is loud than good. Despite all the death rates occurring in Nigeria, do you know that at the end of this year, birth rate will still increase? The population will still increase more than the decreasing. That's to tell that good is winning, but good is silence. Good is silence. And when we now start talking about a good person in politics, you look as if, how can there be a good person in politics? Because all you know is about evil of politicians. But it's not true. Nature put what they call check and balance in every system. If there's an extremely good, there's going to be extremely bad, which science call equal and opposite reaction. There's going to be a balance in the negative and the positive. There's going to be extremely good, there's going to be extremely bad. But the good will be silenced to checkmate the loudness of the evil. And that's what many of you don't understand. So when we are talking that Obi is good, Obi is good. Take it to the bank. In comparison with every other of Nigerian politician, Obi is good. In fact, if you think Obi is not good, go and check his vice. Forget that you are saying because Obi is an Igbo man, is Easterner, like the Mandi that are saying if you vote for Obi, they are not even talking about you voting Obi that is not a good candidate. Just they say he be Igbo. Go and check the one that is Hausa man that is his vice. Ask me the bad record that one have. Okay, even if you don't want to, I know so many people that voted Atiku last time because he's Obi. Even if you don't want to vote Obi this time around, check his vice. Does he have a bad record? No. It's all politicians that say he is not coming back. None of you want to vote him or to be vice. It's just Obi you are looking at. Check his vice. Datti. Does Datti has a bad record? So let it be clear. Not all politicians are bad. Not all. Even though you don't know them, not all politicians are bad. Just as everybody will say Nigerians are corrupt, not all Nigerians are corrupt. Nigerians are bad, not all Nigerians are bad. There are still good people in this country. But the whole world rebel us like a corrupt. In fact, they even record Nigeria as in capital poverty. Is every Nigeria poor? Is it not the richest man that voted from Nigeria? Are all Nigerian youth 419s? Are they all yahoos? So you should not, because of sentiment and say Obi is not different from them because he's in PDP. As all of us in Nigeria, are we all corrupt? The world say Nigeria is corrupt. Are we all corrupt? Are we all thieves? Are we all ashawo? Are we all prostitutes? Are we all yahoo boys? That is the truth. So all politicians are not bad. Take it to the bank. If you don't want to vote him, fine, but stop coming with that sentiment and be saying all of them are the same. It's a pure lie from the pit of hell. We will squash it. If you like this video, share it. Let the people know the truth. Don't just like my video, share it.